What's good with y'all, man? It's METXRO Metro back in with another video, and today, pause, fuck that. Today, before I hop into everything else, I just want to say my fault for not posting for a little minute. I've been like I just been like dealing with other stuff outside of this YouTube and like trading shit. If y'all got me on IG, make sure y'all go follow me on IG at METXRO. Link will be in the description. Click the link in the description. Got my TikTok, my my TikTok, all my socials. Just go follow me. On there I post my trades, when I trade, when I don't trade. You know, just everything like that. If you want to ask me questions or just want advice or just anything of that sort, text me on there. I'll follow back. And yeah, so if you got any video ideas, any type ideas, things you want to see on the channel, let me know. Go hit me on there. Don't be scared, bro. Come on, don't be scared, bro. Don't be scared to go follow me on IG. I got you, bro. But I just been dealing with stuff outside of life, so outside of life, dumbass. This is life. But just life shit, So I ain't really been trading like that, but I have, like, when I do trade, I do post it, still like that. So I just been chilling, really, just relaxing, since the end of the year. I still been trading, what I'm saying, still not being lazy, but just just chilling real quick, just taking a little break. But y'all probably like, Metro, shut up. We trying to see how to, survive Q4. Q4 is kicking my ass. I feel you, bro. I feel you. I understand that shit, because Q4 is a different breed. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Q4 is a different breed, man. So, 5 tips to survive Q4. Now, if you don't know what Q4 is basically the end of the year. It's not really a lot of volatility in the market, so it's kind of, it doesn't feel the same as it would if it's like July or something like that, just one of them months that's not at the end of the year. And it's like this every year. So it's like this every year. This happens every year. At the end of the year, markets don't really feel the exact same. And if you trade a lot or trade a decent amount, you definitely gonna be able to feel it. So that can include like you not being able to, either you don't see your setups as much, you're not winning as much, setups don't go to like for 1 to 3 as much, stuff like that. So we finna just hop straight into the video. I'm finna try to give y'all some of my personal tips on how I either come to the market or things in that sort of nature. So first thing first, these are not in order. These are just like random tips that could possibly help you, that help me. So let's get into this, man. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, because we don't bullshit on this channel. We get straight down to business. I don't sugarcoat shit. It is what it is on this channel. Hope you fuck with it. If not, that's cool though. But hey, man, first thing on here is understand that this is natural and it happens every year. It's a part of the process. Either trade or you don't. Now, like I said, it happens every year. And if you don't like that, either don't trade at the end of the year. Like, it's that simple. If you don't like that, because I know a lot of people, like a lot of the people that make a whole lot from Forex, or trading or whatever you trade. If they make a whole lot, they usually tend to just not trade at the end of the year because they already made so much. Why just chill? Let's just chill, enjoy the rest of the year, no trading, and then we'll come back next year, like beginning of the year. That's optional for people. I don't really do that. I mean, like it's a difference in the market, but you just have to know what to look for in the market at this time and what so you just gotta know how to trade Q4. You have to trade it very, 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 very carefully, or else you will blow your account and either end up losing a whole lot. You have to be smart with this shit. And it's that simple. You either trade or you don't. Like, you either one of the two. You just can't complain and then keep trading. Like, you either complain, then fix it, and then start seeing results. So you just gonna keep complaining and complaining and complaining. Like, bro, either you trade or you don't, bro. Like, you either adapt to the shit or you don't. It's that simple. I'm not gonna sit up here and say, well, yeah, the market can be a little tough right now, so I feel sorry for all you guys, bro. It happens. It's the same way with everybody, bro. You got people who trade the shit and just be real strict with the shit, or you got people who just don't trade the shit. Pick one, bro. Pick one. You can't just complain about the shit, because it's gonna happen every single year. You just gonna get stuck in the cycle. Oh, it's December. Time to complain again, bro. Just either you trade or you don't. It's that simple. It's that simple, bro. Like, when you chose to trade this shit, this is what you signed up for. This is what you signed up for. So just deal with it. Just deal with it. It's that simple. Another tip is take high probability setups and don't over leverage. Now, this was one of the things, I'm not gonna lie, sit up here and lie to y'all. This is one of the things that definitely hit me when I first started to know Q4. Cause I first started Q4 and I got a funded account right as Q4 just started. Cause I was off I was on like a three week winning streak, or just profitable straight for 3 weeks, So and then I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna just give me a little funded account. I didn't get like a 100K funded account. I just got some small, just to, cause this is my first time trading funded accounts. I was only trading strictly live. That's it, just like live accounts and shit, just growing accounts. But take high probability setups, man, and you just can't over leverage. Like you have to, in Q4, like you have to be very, very strict with the setups you take, because if you just try to get an aggressive every trade, even if it's not Q4, but it's even more dangerous in Q4, just because like shit just don't, like a lot of setups don't hit the same like as they would, and I noticed that. And so I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm not finna complain about it. I'm finna just, hey, hop back on the charts and then just back test, just see how Q4 acting and just see how it just working shit. And I'm gonna work with it. Either work with it or don't trade, like I said. And don't over leverage, because man, over leveraging, that can kill you regularly. But in Q4, bro, like I'm telling you, bro, Q4 setups, they can fail so quick. It's crazy as hell. Like you might have a little plan, a little setup. Okay, once a break above here, I'm getting in. That bitch, that bitch would go down just like those, bro. And next thing you know, you like, damn, what the fuck is wrong with Q4? And then hold on, but see, check it out, because I did this personally before. It'll drop all the way down and then it wick back up. And then you like, okay, that was a little fake out. You get back in, but this time you get back in like probably twice, 2 positions and shit. Next thing you know, there you eating, it hits your 1-to-1, right? But you're like, no, fuck that one, I want a 1-to-2. That bitch like, you gotta trade differently, bro. You gotta trade smarter. You just gotta be smart, and I don't know, bro. You just gotta accept it for what it is. And that's all I can say. Like Q4 is a different breed, but you gotta know how to handle it. You definitely able to be the profitable. Damn, I'm always stuttering. It's definitely possible to be profitable. You just have, hold on. It's definitely possible to be profitable. I don't know why that shit sounds so lit to me, but it's definitely possible to be profitable. You just have to know how to do it. Number 3, observe how Q4 is affecting the markets and adapt and go with the flow. Don't complain. Like I said, don't complain. I see that so much. People's Q4 this, Q4 that, Q4 that. Bro, it's like this every year, bro. Come on, man. You got to get used to it. You got to. Just like for me personally, my setups, they're different, so I have to change the way I get into a trade now, like whether it's confluences and all that type of stuff. And for me, I always trade New York session, but at least recently, pre-New York and London session has been hitting more for me. I don't know, that's just me though. So I was like just trying different sessions, and New York hasn't been hitting for me at all. But London and pre-New York, that shit be hitting. I'm not gonna lie. Well, pre-New York Stock Exchange, yeah, that be hitting harder for me. So just try different sessions. Now, you don't want to hop into another session off rip and then just start off on live. You know what I'm saying? You at least want to either just, you know what I'm saying, just act like you got in a trade, put your little TPs and shit like that. Or you can just do it on a demo account. You got to practice, you know what I'm saying, get to fill the new sessions, because London is definitely different from New York. New York, I feel, move more faster for me. That's just me though. Maybe you guys see it different. But just try to switch sessions and just try different things. Just try different things, but be smart about it. And number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think that, yeah. All right, for sure. Be patient and don't let your emotions control you. You don't need to trade every day, and you have to be okay with that. Now, for me, I definitely trade 100%. I trade so much less now than regularly. I used to usually trade once per day, one to 2 trades per day, depending on like what I saw that day before Q4. But now in Q4, bro, I'm probably only taking maybe 3 trades a week, and that's all you need. Like, bro, that's all you need to be profitable. One trade, shit. Like, bro, you don't have to trade more to make more. Like, it can work that way, but the more you trade, the more chance you have of losing. You know what I'm saying? So just be smart with this shit. Just be patient and don't let your emotions get to you. Like, damn, I haven't saw the setup in 2 days, bro. I need to trade today. Don't do that. I'm telling you, you're gonna regret it. Don't do that shit, bro. Just be patient. Understand what quarter we're in, and understand this is natural. This is cool. You know what I'm saying? It just only take high setups. That's it. Just only take setups that you feel or you're comfortable with. Let me see. Yeah, like you just have to be okay with it. It is what it is, bro. If you only take 2 trades that week, hey, it's all good, bro. It's all good. It is what it is. Number 4. No, either number 5 or number 4. I ain't gonna lie. It is what it is right now. Take what the market gives you and don't be greedy. Like I said, you usually might be going to 1 for 2. Like me, I go to 1 for 2s, one for 2s. I either go for 1 to 2s or 1 to 3s. Now, in this like the time we're in right now, I usually only maybe go to 1 if it has a lot of momentum with it. It just depends on if I get on a supply and demand or just support and resistance or just something like that. It just depends how much momentum I'm seeing. If I see like a big ass green candle, I'm riding that. Pause. I'm saying in that trade, I'm not gonna keep on being greedy. Once I feel like, okay, this has been going up for a little, I'm out. You gotta know when to take profit. Don't be greedy. Don't hold it. And that shit, cause that shit could reverse like that. Damn, y'all probably see my finger. Y'all might have to go back and rewind that. But just go for that 1 to 1 if you got to, bro. Cause you don't know when it could reverse. And this not even for just Q4. This is for Q4 and all the other quarters. You know, you never know when it's gonna reverse. But you gotta just adapt to the market, man. So, and setups may not occur or play out the same they used to before Q4. So, you just gotta know, okay, look, I'm gonna go from 1 to 1, be safe, and just go dip on my money. I'm going for the day, done for the week, however you trade. Cause I'm a scalper. I don't like swing trading. I don't bash swing trading in any way. I'm just not. That's just not me. So, if you swing trade, I wish you nothing but luck. Hopefully you can be profitable. Wish you nothing but the best. And then my conclusion to this is Q4 can low-key make you a better trader / more disciplined and possibly more selective with your setups. If you can do good in Q4, I definitely believe that you can do good in any other quarter, because Q4, that's like the final exam. Like that really tests if you're disciplined, if you can control your emotions, stuff like that. Like, because Q4, it can either humble you, that shit could destroy you, or it can make you a better trader. Shit like that. So that's how I look at it. Q4 is just like a hard test. That's all it is. And you can definitely pass it. You just have to, do the certain things to pass it. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully these tips helped y'all. These are some of the things that I do or did during Q4 to, try to increase my chance of being profitable during Q4, because it's definitely harder. But hey man, that's the end of this video. That's all I really got to say. Make sure y'all follow me on IG, and METXRO is gone. Done.